Do you have an HD111, M111, or M111XT? The M111 models are our thinnest skin-based system, so you must take care when removing them from the packaging. This video provides a step-by-step guide on how to safely remove your thin skin-based system from the plastic packaging without ripping the base. First, inspect your hairpiece. Make sure that the color and base are to your liking. Now, starting from the back, gently remove the base. If it is stuck, use a solvent to dampen the base so the plastic can slip off. Do not forcibly remove this plastic from the base, as this will cause tearing. We recommend using solvent because it is designed to clean the base off of hair systems, so it's safe to use. Alternatively, you can also use a leave-in conditioner spray, but remember to really clean the base off of any residue left from the conditioner before applying the hair system. Be careful when removing the front hairline. And lastly, wash your hair system thoroughly and safely before attaching. For more videos like this, subscribe and hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time.